it. Of course, you know, it's another field that's so deep that you can just continue learning with that forever. And we'll probably like hand out some small exercises during the summer as well, just like not mandatory, but like stuff that is fun and like makes a lot of sense to learn, just in terms of like the marketability of that skill. But yeah, JavaScript of course is something a lot more challenging now, and speaking again from experience, it's the part of the course, like these next 9 weeks of learning JavaScript are definitely going to be super frustrating. I always say the same thing, that like if you don't feel like you want to give up, or like you have hit the wall and you definitely don't know that you can continue, that's so normal, or like it's very normal. Like it would be more abnormal if you didn't have that moment at some point. So it's like, stick with it, like really just like try to follow the homework, like ask a lot of questions, and yeah, don't lose the faith in it, because it is super complicated. Like no one has had an easy time with learning JavaScript. It's not even
and
the
also
easiest.
it's very rewarding.
It is, of course, it's going to be super rewarding once you've grasped it, and like once you reach a plateau afterwards, where you have a certain level of knowledge, you can do so much with it. And like I think the whole like web development world is going to open up a lot more, and you're going to see the possibilities that you have with it. Yeah, but I'm probably going to give a similar speech to this like every second week now. Just remember, like try to stay motivated. It's going to be a tough one, but also fun. Well, like at least we try to make it a bit more fun. But yeah, that's how I'll hand it over to Abed and Marjan today. So they're going to be teaching you for the next 3 weeks.
Yes.
Right.
And who made this setting? You, or look nice? More close.
Exactly.
Because
We're moving it closer together every week, because we also want to have or not every week, but like every module, let's say, because eventually, as you see in the other classes, everyone's just sitting around the round table, and you have more of a, you know, like a discussion, like it's more open, like we want to do less of the frontal teaching and telling you like, oh, do it like this, and then now we'll come help you. Like you'll get to a much better level where kind of everyone speaks like a developer, and you're just saying like, oh, how do you do this normally? And then it's like, you know, quick fixes, quick programs. Hey, son. Oops. Yeah, so it is intentional. I'm glad you like it. Here. See where it is. And so you can keep it.
Okay, guys, let's start. So, as I told you last time, so we'll walk through the homework first for 10-15 minutes, then we'll start the JS module. So, you want to show your homework? I managed to see some of the homeworks who submitted a bit early, not who submitted after, I think, Thursday or Friday, at least. Yeah. So, yeah. Probably I'll not manage to go through everyone, because then we'll be spending lots of time. So instead, if anyone had some special that you want to show, or anyone have some struggle, like you didn't manage to fix that, probably you can try fix here. I have seen most of them, but yeah. We actually did last 2-3 weeks, but this is the JavaScript module, so I don't want to spend that much time. So yeah. So anyone have any special issues that with CSS or HTML structure? Yeah.
This little problem here.
Should I open yours then? Last one? Yeah, exactly. You are here. Okay.
This is space over this neighbor.
Space over neighbor, yes?
Yeah. This is space over it.
Yeah. You didn't manage to remove them.
I tried.
You tried. So did you, let me see if you're using the reset CSS or not. So you know what is this one, right?
Yeah.
The dev tool. So from here you can see your coding. So reset. I don't see reset CSS. So in the homework, the repository, I shared a CSS file called reset.css. Have you seen that? So for example, if I open the it's JavaScript, sorry. Next week here. So this one, reset.css. So all you need to just copy this one or download and then attach to your things. But I can show you what's this actually problem here. So for instance, if you select this icon, I don't know it's visible from there. So this one, right? So you can hover over. See, I can see where I'm locating, right? So you just click on the top one, and in top one it says padding 1 rem, one like relative something. So see, if I uncheck this one, the space goes away. So all you basically need in homework.cs3, you have the file. I can and then you just need to remove this line. That's it. And the line is 332. The problem is why you are writing body style that below. This is the file, right? CSS file. And then I can see this body styling. It's you're writing the code in 332 lines. So always try to write from the top. You know, if it's body, write from the top. So it's like synchronized. Like you don't have to struggle with finding stuff. Make sense?
Usually,
Yeah. So this is one small thing, and then you see it's gone now. Probably you need to also remove this one. You see the left. Oh, okay. You can't see from here because the projector is not showing everything, but I can see from my computer there's some space here. Probably we can just do something. Okay, I will fix it. So that one you can remove from left to right. For instance, this one, right? You should also be able to remove. Anything else? Yeah, yours. You're doing good, I think. I saw your homework. Yes, and you also have a same problem?
Yeah.
You didn't manage to remove that, or?
I did not give it. That is the thing.
Oh, you didn't. You chose intentionally. Okay.
No, I have not done anything with that. It came automatically.
Okay. Let's see the problem. So if I inspect this one again and click here, see you give actually style.css 419 number line. So remove that.
Okay.
Yeah.
But that
And
download resume is the one I'm facing problem.
download resume. Okay. So for that one, I gave you the comments here, right?
Yeah.
All I told you to copy the styling like from reference one here. Go to this one. Index here. It's like that, right? Yeah, here. So all you need is just come here and the button, right? So if you copy this style I gave you, copy and then assign it to button, so it's look like that. So now you just need to fix the alignment. So see here what is causing you. I think it will take time. I'll take it separately, okay? It's not easy fix because you didn't use the reference homework. So if you're using the reference homework, it's easy for me. Then I know the class, I know the everything, so it's much easier, simpler. Okay. Is this a problem for all? You're also having issues with this button? Only for, or is only for Anu? This one. Is good for others? I'm asking that anyone has any problem with this button, like to make the button look like this one? Okay, so I think it's only probably you. So I'll, after the class we'll check. So anyone else especially have some struggle?
My one, when I reduced the screen size, maybe it's the media inquiry, but I couldn't quite get my head there.
uh, screen size.
Yeah, so if I reduce the window.
Yeah,
Oh,
like that.
yeah, okay, seems to be good.
And
Oh no, yeah. Yeah, it seems fine.
and so I told you that you can work on the neighbor. Like, see, your neighbor is like not in the middle; it's in the bottom.
Oh, okay.
I gave you the
I
comments.
thought you wanted me to move it across and not
Something.
further.
I said it's not. It doesn't look that great. Probably you can improvement. So you can left, right, or something you
Yeah.
can do. And also in the the portfolio section, do you see that it's so much space in between?
Yeah.
So probably you can make the bigger,
Reduce the.
or you can give some background color, like like for instance this one. See this one.
Oh yeah.
So it look probably this image is small, but you can manage removing this space
Yeah.
with some color or
Yeah,
something.
Yeah.
Then it look much nicer, I guess.
Yeah.
And this one you can like adjust with the height width
Yeah.
to like
So it
to this.
brings the box, yeah.
Yeah.
I have one problem.
Yeah.
Last
This one. Yeah.
yeah. The icons, I can see they are vertical now, but
Which
that's
icons?
okay. The icons, GitHub and
Yeah.
but I can see they are vertical.
The vertical. Probably your skin size is smaller or like this. Probably you have a small screen size.
Okay.
So no, let's fix it then. What's the problem? See. So margin left. Parent div is small width,
Actually, I'm using grid here, so maybe it's because of this.
or is the div width? What you mean this one?
Yeah, it's taking the column of one of the column. That's why. When you are
Oh, it was 10%.
even though I have removed the column property, but
If you're using grid, okay, so then don't define width like that. It's like a. Are you using bootstrap or
no,
just a div?
Only with CSS.
Yes. Okay, so yeah, then in that case, yeah, so you just need to adjust the width with the bigger percentage or remove it. And what is this?
If you squeeze, it becomes a menu bar. A menu. If you squeeze, yeah, now you can click up.
Here?
No, just squeeze more the window. You have to squeeze the
Okay.
window more. So this will, yes, now. If you click it, up. So one more time. Just for this.
Okay, you try something new. Okay, that's fine. Perfect. Yeah. Okay, so you put some animation. That's good.
In the last form, I used Bootstrap only for the form.
Only for the form.
Yeah.
I think it's very good. You try that. Yeah. It's very nice. Great. Anyone want to get the final chance? I want to take one more. If anyone want to share something.
Or still you had a line. You told like we need to use JavaScript for that.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't manage to?
Yeah, like it was really hard to use JavaScript. Like,
Then I owe you still because I thought I forgot actually. I thought I would be solving and then showing this here. So I didn't manage to solve. So probably in the lunch break, or I will try to fix it, or otherwise I'll take it later. Is it okay? Anything else? So then I think it's okay. So yeah, I'm particularly also impressed to see the homework you guys tried. That's really good. Some of are a bit advanced because they already have the knowledge before, and some of are from zero to see the progress. Actually, it's amazing. So keep continue improving, and also ask question. and don't say, okay, hi, just review my homework. In that case, people doesn't review your things. Probably put a question. So I'm struggling with here. How can I solve it? So people will come up with suggestions, because if you're opening too much things at one time, no one has time to do your help you. So whenever you face some problems, that specifically say, okay, I can remove the header part, this space, or I can make the button look like this one. So then somebody who knows, they can willingly help. Okay, that's one trick probably if you want to get a quick or effective feedback. Okay, so let's start to the JS module probably.